Everyone thinks the best-selling Magnaflow catalytic converter is automatically the best choice. But is that really true? If you dig a little deeper, you'll find that there are some key differences that can really affect your vehicle's performance and emissions control.
Product number 1, Magnaflow Catalytic Converter 53956. The Magnaflow Catalytic Converter 53956 caught my eye right away. Priced at $85.79, it's designed to be a standard-grade universal converter that complies with EPA regulations. If you want a reliable solution for emissions control, this is worth a serious look. This converter is made from high-strength 16-gauge 409 stainless steel, which means it's built to resist corrosion and last longer. The compact design is perfect if you're working in tight spaces, and it's designed to maximize efficiency, ensuring your vehicle runs cleaner. With no reviews yet, it's hard to gauge user experiences, but Magnaflow's reputation for quality speaks volumes. Now, some users might worry about the need for welding during installation, which can be a hassle if you're not equipped for it. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about maintaining your car's emission standards, this isn't a deal breaker, especially with the long-term benefits it offers. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable option that doesn't skimp on quality. Skip this one if you're not prepared to tackle a bit of installation work yourself, but for the price, it's a solid choice. Now, if the need for welding bothered you, the next one offers a bit more flexibility in installation.
Product number 2, Magnaflow 51206 OEM Grade Converter. The Magnaflow 51206 OEM Universal Catalytic Converter, retailing at $139.04. I was impressed by its compliance with EPA standards, ensuring it meets the emissions requirements for registered vehicles. If you're after something that matches OEM quality, this is worth a serious look. What I love about this one is its stainless steel construction, which not only boosts durability, but also helps maintain optimal performance with integrated O2 ports. It's designed for a universal fit, meaning it can be placed exactly where you need it in your vehicle. Plus, the 5-year, 50,000-mile limited warranty gives a nice touch of peace of mind. With no reviews yet, it's tough to know the current user satisfaction. However, I did come across a few complaints about installation difficulties since it's still a universal fit. Here's the thing though, if you're comfortable with professional installation, that shouldn't be a huge concern. Just be aware that it might add to your overall cost. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality converter that fits like the original. Skip this one if you're looking for a do-it-yourself solution without the hassle of professional help. The investment is worth it for the reliability it promises. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for older vehicles.
Product number 3, Magnaflow Catalytic Converter 94009. We have the Magnaflow Catalytic Converter 94009, priced at $107.10. This one is particularly aimed at older pre-1996 OBDI vehicles, which caught my attention immediately. If you're in need of a converter that meets EPA pre-OBDI standards, this is worth a serious look. It boasts a durable stainless steel construction, plus it's designed to ensure optimal performance with its integrated O2 ports and superior thermal insulation. The universal installation means you can set it up where it fits best for your vehicle. Given that it has no reviews yet, it's hard to judge its current reliability, but Magnaflow has a strong history in this category. Some users may find the limitations regarding vehicle compatibility frustrating, especially if they own a newer model. Here's the thing though, if you have an older vehicle and need a converter that's compliant, this option really shines despite that limitation. This is perfect for you if you own an older car and want to ensure it meets emission standards. Skip this one if your car is newer and needs a modern solution. For the price, it's a solid buy for the right vehicle. Now, if you need something that offers a bit more for newer cars, the next product is a great upgrade.
Product number 4, Magnaflow Catalytic Converter 51204. The Magnaflow Catalytic Converter 51204, also priced at $139.04. I found its EPA compliance particularly nice, ensuring that you won't run into issues with emissions inspections. If you're looking for an OEM grade option that fits a range of vehicles, this is worth a serious look. This converter features an expertly formulated catalyst blend that maximizes efficiency, which is essential for reducing harmful emissions. The high-strength stainless steel tubing ensures exceptional durability, which means this converter can stand the test of time. Again, it has no reviews yet, but Magnaflow's reputation is a strong indicator. One downside is that, like many universal converters, installation can be tricky and might require professional help. But if you're committed to ensuring your vehicle runs cleanly, the benefits far outweigh this inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable converter that meets strict emission standards. Skip this one if you're looking for an easy DIY installation, but it's a fantastic option for those who prioritize quality. Now, if you want something with a bit more heavy-duty performance, the next one is impressive.
Product number 5, Magnaflow Catalytic Converter 99206HM. We have the Magnaflow Catalytic Converter 99206HM, which comes in at $178. This model is designed for heavier applications, which is why it caught my eye. If you need a converter built for more demanding situations, this is worth a serious look. What stands out here is its heavy metal grade construction, featuring extra catalysts for improved conversion of unwanted emissions. It's also EPA compliant, meaning you're still covered on the legal side. The stainless steel design is built to last, and the universal installation provides some flexibility for positioning in your vehicle. With no reviews, it's tough to gauge user feedback. However, the price point might be a bit steep for those just looking for a basic replacement. Here's the deal. If you're looking for enhanced performance and durability, this extra investment pays off in the long run. This is perfect for you if you need a high-performance converter for trucks or heavy-duty vehicles. Skip this if you have a light-duty car and are just after a basic converter. But for the features it offers, it's a solid investment. In conclusion, each of these Magnaflow converters brings something unique to the table, whether it's affordability, OEM-grade quality, or heavy-duty performance.
So, to wrap it up, the Magnaflow 53956 offers a budget-friendly option for EPA compliance. The 51206 provides OEM quality for more recent vehicles. The 94009 caters to older pre-1996 cars. The 51204 maintains high performance with emission standards. And finally, the 99206HM is built for heavy-duty applications. Each serves a specific need, so choose based on your vehicle and requirements for a cleaner, efficient drive.